Did you know your brain can't tell the difference between what's real and what you vividly imagine? It's true. Your brain is the most powerful tool you possess. And here is the secret. It will accept whatever you tell it as truth, and then work tirelessly to make it your reality. Your brain operates like a supercomputer, but here's what makes it extraordinary. It doesn't judge the commands you give it. When you repeatedly tell yourself something, I am confident, I am successful, I am healthy, your brain activates the reticular activating system. This is your brain's filter, and it starts looking for evidence to support whatever belief you've programmed. Even more fascinating? Your brain sends signals to your body based on these beliefs. Tell yourself you're energized, and your brain releases neurotransmitters that make you feel energized. Tell yourself you're capable, and your nervous system prepares your body for action. Your thoughts literally become biology. So how do you harness this power? Start training your brain intentionally. First, use affirmations daily. Stand in front of a mirror and speak your goals as if they're already true. I am attracting abundance. I am achieving my goals effortlessly. Your brain hears this and begins rewiring neural pathways to align with these statements. Second, visualize in vivid detail. Close your eyes and see yourself succeeding. Feel the emotions. Hear the sounds. Your brain processes these mental rehearsals as real experiences, building confidence and competence. Third, guard your self-talk. Every negative thought is a command to your brain. Replace I can't with I'm learning how. Replace this is impossible with I'll find a way. When you consistently feed your brain positive, goal-oriented commands, something remarkable happens. You start noticing opportunities you would have missed. You feel motivated to take action. Your body responds with energy and enthusiasm. This isn't magic, it's neuroplasticity. Your brain is physically restructuring itself based on your dominant thoughts. Athletes use this technique to break records. Successful entrepreneurs use it to build empires. And you can use it to achieve whatever you desire. Your brain is waiting for instructions. What will you tell it today? Remember, it believes what you repeatedly say. So speak life, speak success, speak positivity. Train your brain to work for you, not against you. Your reality begins with a single thought. Make it a powerful one. Leave in comment what is your powerful command for brain today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.